Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, ever wondered about the magic behind Enterogermina, the probiotic that's all the rage in health circles? Let's dive into everything you need to know. Enterogermina isn't just any supplement, it's your gut's new best friend, especially when it's out of whack due to antibiotics or infection. So, when do doctors prescribe it? Well, if you're dealing with tummy troubles like bloating, diarrhea, or even irritable bowel syndrome, Enterogermina might be on your prescription. Now, how does this little warrior work? It fills your gut with good bacteria, encouraging a healthier digestive environment. Simple, yet effective. Let's talk about taking Enterogermina the right way. It comes in liquid form, so no swallowing pills here. You'll usually start with a higher dose, and then as your gut starts to heal, you'll switch to a maintenance dose. Always follow your doctor's instructions to the letter. Side effects? They're uncommon, but some might experience some bloating or gas initially as your body adjusts. And a big heads up, if your immune system is compromised, talk to your doctor first. To wrap it up, Enterogermina could be a game changer for your digestive health. Just remember to use it as directed and consult your doctor for personalized advice. Here's to a happier, healthier gut. Thanks for being here. Stay informed and stay healthy.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.